If you're looking for a great and reliable option for a wireless lavalier microphone, the FIFINE M9 is going to be an option that you're going to love. So just starting over here, it comes with this nice, everything has a great build quality. It has this great case that holds the two transmitters and the receiver here, which also provides charge to the devices inside. It charges the case itself via USB-C right here on the bottom. The USB-C cable charger is actually included. It also comes with two windscreens for your microphones that just clip on and snap on tightly. It has this cable right here for connecting to a DSLR camera via a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And this one is also another one that it includes for your phone itself. And you can also use the adapter here to connect to your device via USB-C and 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So the actual transmitters right here, very nicely built with the FIFINE logo here. Nice, great clip to clip onto your clothing. Right here is where you connect. This is the actual microphone, of course. So you connect the wind screen right here. It has active noise cancellation, so you can go ahead and press it. And the cool thing about this one is it actually shows you an indication that noise cancellation is on, which is nicely and greatly appreciated. On the other side, you have your power button. And like I said, all of them can be either charged via USB-C, or it has these contact chargers right here on the bottom, or connections rather, that will take advantage of the case itself, and you'll be able to charge it without a problem. Now the actual receiver here, the same thing. It charges via the touch connection right here on the bottom, or via USB-C. And right here on the top, it basically gives you a bit of information about what's going on. So right now it's telling us that there's no transmitters essentially connected to this receiver right here. It has both devices listed here, A and B, for the microphones. Now that I pick microphone B up, then you can see it's showing as being connected and paired already. So you can actually also adjust the volume of the microphones by either microphone A or B with these two buttons right here. So great build, great quality. It also has, of course, on this side the 3.5 millimeter out and the pairing button right here in case you need to repair it. And you can switch between mono and stereo sound as well. So great build. The actual sound is great as well for recording. So whether you're doing content creation, making videos for YouTube, podcasting, blogging, anything like that, this is going to be a great option for you. And this is the FIFINE M9 wireless lavalier microphone.